Hi friends, guess what I've got here? I've got another full box, full fabric of box. Full box of fabrics from Boho Fabrics. I'm so excited because fabric mail is my favorite type of mail. So without any further ado, we're going to open it up. All right, got a little package. I've got my list of fabrics. I've got my packet of fabrics, and I'm so excited. I am going to do a little close-up on top here, so as I'm showing you, you can show them, you can see exactly what I've got. Let's start with this one. It is so cute already. Okay. All right. You know, one thing I love, and I've said this before and I'm going to say it every time, is how cute they package my fabrics. And I don't have to worry. My weather here is so unpredictable. I never know if it's going to rain or not. Because they package them so nicely, I never have to worry about that. So that is great. And I will say my post office mail person, my mailman, he does a great job. Like wrapping it up if it's gonna rain. But like a day like today, he didn't wrap it up. And it doesn't look exactly like it's gonna rain, but it's kind of overcast now. So who knows, like if I wasn't there and I wasn't able to get it right away, my fabrics may be ruined. And we don't want that. So I love that they package them so nicely. Thank you so much, Boho Fabrics. Okay, so we're gonna start with this gorgeousness here. I am just in love with this print. It is so beautiful. I don't remember what fabric this is. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's got stretch, but it does not look like, it looks like a woven, but it's got stretch. And it's a stable knit. Let me look at the label and I'll know exactly what it is. It's a Ponte knit fabric, which is kind of what I thought. This is so beautiful for a dress or even just like a skirt with a fitted skirt. I already think I know what skirt I want to make. The Jasmine jogger skirt by Ellie and Mac. I think this is gonna do it. And I probably will not make, I don't know. I love this fabric so much. Let's do a little close up here. It's got like some texture. It almost looks like corduroy. It's got some softness there. Let me see if you can really see the texture on this. And then it's got no stretch vertically, but horizontally it's got some stretch. So that's great for a dress or any kind of I love this fabric actually. So beautiful. Next we've got some swim. This is, and that one was called Autumn Floral Ponte Knit Fabric. So if you want to look for it. This one is called Blue Gingham Swim Knit Fabric. I saw a gingham dress that someone made and it's on the Boho Fabrics website for the listing of this. And I loved it. You know what else I love? Look at the stretch and the fabric is not see-through. You see that? Like sometimes you stretch the fabric and it gets all white. It's not doing that. I love that. So I wanted to make myself a swim dress like it. Now this is a surprise for my son and I don't know when this will post. I don't want someone to see it and tell him about it. But next month in January, we're going to be going on a trip. And so I'm going to be making all the trip things. And so let's just say that this swim fabric is going to come in handy. I am so excited about it. Let me do a close up. I love the color and how rich it is and how stretchy, and it doesn't stretch the color out, which is great. So that's swim. And this is another swim. I love this color on myself. So I was looking to see any swim that had this like rusty orangey color. And I saw this polka dot one and I was like, yes. So I'm gonna make a swim with this as well. I like to have a little skirt to go with my swims. I don't usually like to just wear my bathing suit by itself. So I always get enough to do the swim and then like a little skirt or something like that. Or like shorts or something like that. But how cute is this? This is beautiful. Look at the color. It's like so vibrant. So good. And this one was Rust polka dot swim print knit fabric. So good. All right, let's move on to the next pile. And this one comes with a little baggie. Okay, the first one is this like heathered, what is it called? It's not heathered, it's slub, terracotta croupo knit. Croupo? Croupo. I don't think I've ever used this kind of fabric before. Oh my gosh, it's like, I don't know what it feels like. But it's not, it's thin, but it's not like, you know how slub or even like, what is that called? Rayon spandex kind of feels like there's nothing to it. This feels like there's something to it. It's got more, what do you call it? Definition, that's not the word. I've said this word before, now I can't remember what it is. It's got more structure to it, a little bit more structure to it. It's got a pretty good stretch. You can see it right there. I love the print on it, but it's also very smooth. It kind of, okay, so the thing I don't love about rayon spandex a lot is that rayon spandex sometimes likes to get a little close to you and kind of cling to you. This doesn't seem like it would. It just seems like a kind that would stay off of you and it won't give you like all the little bumpies. I don't know. We'll see how I like it, but I like the color of it. Next we've got some, I think this is, yeah, this is French terry. This is, it is wine red cotton French terry. I love these colors. I love French terry. So I always want to buy some solid French terries because I can use them with anything. So there is that, it's so pretty. It's got that French terry loop on the back and it's got some good stretch. So that's French terry. This one, I think this is a double brush poly. Yeah, it's a Last Cut's Bright Harvest double brush poly. I think I have some of this already, but do I have some? Yes, I do. But I wanted to order a little bit more to have enough for a big dress. It is so pretty and it just looks like it's gonna be beautiful for like spring and summer. And it was on sale. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get some more of it. It is so pretty. I love it. All right, the last of this pile is waffle knit. I love waffle knit. This is a Last Cut's Simone Floral on White waffle knit. I always look for the Last Cut's because a lot of times they're really good sale and I love them. I love white waffle. I have a waffle top, what is it called? Oh man, I am drawing a blank. I'm seeing the name right in my head, but I can't think of it. It's from Sewing in the City, Bleecker sweater made with some similar waffle knit like this. And it's one of my favorites. I wear it all the time. So I'm like, when I saw this that's similar to it, I'm like, yeah, we're gonna get it because it's so cute. So this is the waffle knit. I love the texture of waffle knit, but it's not super hot. It's just really nice. We arrived to our last package. Okay, this fabric caught my eye right away and I had to get it because it is so, like, look at it. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is the Last Cut's Daphne Florals on Beige Velvet Flocked Scuba. Velvet Flocked Scuba knit. So the main fabric is a scuba knit, so it's got this nice stretch and then it's got these velvet flocked flowers on top. So it's got the beautifulness of the velvet flowers to make a beautiful dress, but it's got the stretch of the scuba and stability of the scuba to make it just over the top. Definitely have to make a holiday dress with this. It is so beautiful. I saw it, it caught my eye and I thought, gosh, this would make a gorgeous dress. So I had to get it. It's so good. Comment below and let me know what dress you think that would look really good in that. Like I'm thinking There's a Pattern for Pirates one. I can't remember the name, but it's kind of smooth. I'm thinking that I might have to be the one. Okay, now happy day. Extra fabric just for you. It's a gift. I love it. Thank you so much, Boho Fabrics. This is linen. I love linen, and so it's not on here because I did not purchase it. But I love linen. I had gotten more of this linen here, the flaxseed. Oh no, linen blend woven the navy. I thought I ordered that. Maybe it is a gift for me, but it's a gift that I paid for. Yeah, no, I ordered the blue, and I ordered a little bit more of this flaxseed linen woven because I love linen and I want to have all the colors. I just made me some linen pants. I might have to make, I made them with this fabric here. I had some more. I might have to make them with blue as well because I love, love, love wearing linen. I know linen is more of a spring/summer fabric, but I like to wear it all the time, and it doesn't get as cold here in South Georgia, so we can get away with wearing linen all year round. And now comes my last cut of fabric. This is a woven red gingham cotton woven print. It's a soft cotton woven. It's not super heavy. Kind of looks like a flannel, but it's not, and it doesn't have any stretch. It's a woven. It is so light. It is so nice. It is so pretty. I love the deepness of the color. It's got a little bit of a brown, a little bit of the blue there, and then the, what color did they call it? Red gingham. It is so pretty. I love this. Still don't know what I'm going to make with it. I think a jacket, or I've got another jacket that I just made. Might become one of those. And now the last little bits that I wanted to show you are these right here. I think I know what they are, and I'm super excited about them. Let's start with this one. I think I know what they are because I don't remember my own order, but I know that I ordered some tags. They are so cute. This one says handmade, and it's got all different colors. So pretty. This one says stitched with love, and it's like gold with a little heart in the love. I love that so much. I don't know if I showed you my last box, but I had this one that says hecho por mí, made by me. It's in Spanish, but they also have it in English. And let's see what this one is. We'll see. Oh, yes. I ordered some zipper. I ordered a zipper, not some. I ordered a zipper for a jacket that I made. And I want to make another version, a darker version. So I wanted to have a dark zipper, which I didn't have. And now I do. I'm so excited. I love all these fabrics. Alright, so here they are, all in their beautiful glory. Comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. And tell me what you would make with any of these fabrics. Pick one and tell me what you would make with it. And maybe I will get your comment and we will sew it up and make your pattern that you said I should make. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Go out and sew something. If you have some time, make some time for sewing. I'm gonna make some time for sewing tonight. My son and my husband are away for the night, which means I get to sew. Tonight is also the day that I'm doing my first sewing class. I told you all about it in I think my last video. And so I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna get some sewing with some friends, and I'm going to wash these fabrics. I get this question too. How many yards? Let me answer these questions while I'm remembering. Oh, so let me answer the question. I'm gonna answer the question and then I forgot what the question was. Okay, if I order, how much do I order? If I'm gonna make a top with it, I order 1.5 to 2 yards. If I'm making pants, about, again, 1.5 to 2 yards. I'm a size medium/large. So it also obviously depends on what size you are. If I'm gonna make a dress, I'll probably order 2.5 yards is what I usually do. Or if the longer dress, more volume, probably about 3 yards. And if I really, really, really love it, then I'll go for 4 yards. I never just buy 1 yard because I can't make anything with 1 yard. So, and then when my fabrics arrive, I always wash them first before I sew them, because if they're gonna shrink or they're gonna do anything weird, I wanted to do it before I spend all my time sewing it and then it didn't work. And I would be really sad. So that is the reason why. Also, I just checked and my close-ups did not record. So I'm gonna try to get some close-ups and fit them in there because I know you wanna see it close up. So hopefully I can get them in there. That way you don't miss out on the close-up of the fabrics. Anyway, I hope, and if you already watched the whole video and the close-ups are already in there, you're probably like, I see the close-ups. Well, it's because I got it fixed. Anyhow, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Blah, 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 blah. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and then so you never miss any of my other tutorials. And it always helps when you subscribe. I feel so loved. And you can come find me on Instagram or Facebook where I share a lot more of my behind the scenes stuff. Go grab your boho fabrics. I do have a code for the month of December, so it's in the comment section below, in the description box below, so make sure that you grab that so you can get 20% off of your fabrics. Actually, I might add it on here as well. I don't remember off the top of my head right now, but it's added, and so you can go ahead and get your discount. All right, I'm gonna get going. Have a good rest of your day.